welcome everybody to another episode of 60 Seconds with Sauk Valley Insurance. Just trying to bring some value to you out there. And today, what we thought about is doing in 60 seconds is showing you a little declaration page of an auto policy. It seems like one of the more common types of insurance that everybody kind of has. Most everybody has a vehicle. So we're going to try to attempt to get this done in 60 seconds. I don't like to, there's a lot of information on here, but we're going to give you the nuts and bolts of it in 60 seconds so we can save everybody a little bit of time. But in 60 seconds, I don't know. Let's see if we can do it. So, auto insurance policy. If you come around here, Gary, no Google today. We actually have a declaration page. The first coverage I wanted to go over is bodily injury coverage. If you cause an accident, each person in this policy would be covered up to $300,000. $500,000 would be covered for the total accident, so the policy would not function over that level. Property damage liability would be if you are driving, you hit a car, you hit a sign, you hit a building, that would be the policy limit for that coverage. Medical payment coverage, first dollars paid out in any accident, $5,000. I don't like to exceed that because if you do, it gets costly. I would rather have that coverage up above in the liability. Uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage, same thing, liability, but it's covering you if that other car that may hit you does not have any coverage or not enough. Why would you not match it up to what you cover everybody else at? Other than collision, also known as comprehensive, more commonly maybe, deductible $100, physical damage. Remember, back to deductibles, personal financial decision. Collision, actual cash value. This is when you hit somebody or something else. We got a deductible of $500. That's really where I start with my customers. I like to keep it at $500, save them some money, and it's still somewhat of a manageable deductible at $500. The nuts and bolts, last coverage on this policy is roadside assistance. It is what it is. You lock your keys in your car. You have a flat tire. You call your company. They direct you. You get somebody out there as quickly as possible. The limit on this one is $125. That's kind of industry standard, give or take. There might be a little bit higher coverages that you could purchase. Might be some lower ones to save you some money, but that's kind of where it is. If there's something on towing or something on locksmith charging more than that, you're going to pay the difference. So that is the nuts and bolts of an auto policy. Please, this is very quick. There's a lot of other stuff going on here, but I would love to chat with you about it, either online, over the phone, in person. Call us, whatever you want to do, ask questions. We appreciate all your comments. And of course, we always appreciate your attention. So thank you guys. We'll see you next week. 60 Seconds with Sauk Valley Insurance.